Space, vast, mysterious, teeming with wonders. And amidst these wonders, few are as captivating, as terrifying as black holes. These cosmic monsters lurk in the darkness, their gravitational grip so fierce that not even light, the universe's ultimate speedster, can escape their grasp. Imagine, if you will, a journey to one of these behemoths, a cosmic voyage into the heart of darkness. Our journey begins far from the black hole, where stars still twinkle and galaxies spiral gracefully. As we approach this cosmic titan, we witness the fabric of space-time itself begin to warp and distort. Gravity, once a gentle pull, now exerts its dominance, an irresistible force drawing us closer to the abyss. The closer we get, the stranger things become. Time itself begins to slow, a consequence of the immense gravitational field. Light from distant stars bends around the black hole, creating a mesmerizing halo of distorted images. We are approaching the point of no return, the event horizon. Beyond this invisible boundary, gravity reigns supreme. Here, the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light, ensuring that nothing, not even information, can escape its clutches. We are now irrevocably drawn towards the singularity at the heart of the black hole, a point of infinite density where the known laws of physics break down. Black holes, these gravitational behemoths, are born from the death throes of massive stars. Stars much larger than our own sun, after burning through their nuclear fuel, collapse under their own immense gravity. This implosion, a cosmic swan song, compresses the star's core to an infinitesimal point, the singularity. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which there is no return. Cross this threshold, and you are forever trapped within the black hole's gravitational embrace. The event horizon is not a physical barrier, but rather a point of no return, a cosmic trapdoor from which nothing escapes. The gravitational pull of a black hole is not uniform. It intensifies exponentially the closer you get to the singularity. This means that if you were to fall into a black hole feet first, your feet would experience a far greater gravitational pull than your head. This tidal force, known as spaghettification, would stretch you out like spaghetti, ultimately ripping you apart. But fear not, for the universe is a vast and wondrous place, and black holes, despite their fearsome reputation, play a crucial role in its evolution. They act as cosmic architects, shaping the galaxies we see around us. They are the ultimate recyclers, consuming matter and energy, only to release it back into the cosmos in new and spectacular ways. Now let's journey beyond the event horizon into the realm where the known laws of physics break down. Here, within the black hole's event horizon, lies a realm of speculation, a cosmic mystery that continues to captivate scientists and dreamers alike. What happens to matter as it spirals into the singularity? Some theories suggest that we might encounter something akin to a firewall, a region of intense energy that would incinerate anything that dares to enter. Others propose that we might pass through a wormhole, a hypothetical tunnel connecting different points in space-time, perhaps even different universes. Still, other theories suggest that the singularity might be a gateway to a higher dimension, a realm beyond our current understanding of physics. Imagine, if you will, a universe folded upon itself, where time and space become intertwined, and the very fabric of reality is stretched to its limits. While these theories remain speculative, they highlight the profound mysteries that black holes embody. They remind us that the universe is a place of endless wonder, where the boundaries of our knowledge are constantly being pushed. Imagine for a moment that you could survive the journey into a black hole. What wonders might you behold as you approach the singularity? What secrets of the universe might be revealed? Some physicists believe that the singularity, far from being the end, might actually be a beginning. It could be a point of creation, a cosmic seed from which new universes sprout. Imagine a universe born within the belly of a black hole, a universe hidden from our view, yet inextricably linked to our own. Or perhaps, as some theories suggest, black holes are cosmic portals, gateways to distant corners of our own universe, or even other universes altogether. Imagine stepping through a black hole and emerging into a reality unlike anything we've ever known. While these ideas might seem like science fiction, they are grounded in the mathematics of Einstein's theory of general relativity. They remind us that the universe is stranger, more wondrous, and far more bizarre than we can possibly imagine.